Okay, so I got that stitched, and now we're going to glue that there, glue that there. Actually, no, we have to trim first. I think we trim this. Now it matches, which is very good. Now we'll glue this there. We'll glue that there. Then we'll trim it. And then glue it on this. And then stitch it. Okay. This one, stitch all the way across, and then double use that hole. We'll see how to find a product. I'm not sure if I like that gap there, but that's how it turned out. Alright, I'm gonna go stitch this and be right back. Okay, we got that all stitched up. Kind of went a little over with the glue there. Hopefully it'll come out. Let's see, put the needles away. Just transfer these holes over. Put the button in. I can put the button later, but it's going to look like that. It's going to be matching that. Yeah, I think it has to match. We're going to have to round that, round that, round that. Right, next step is we glue this one. And we'll stitch that there like that. Well, I couldn't really finish it yesterday, so it's a new day today. But picking up where I left off, this side was done. I mean, yeah. Well, finished off putting the edges in. So, just gotta clean up some of these edges now. Now we gotta take care of these corners here. Looks pretty good. I mean, the only thing I would change maybe is match the inside pocket with the height of this, but it's actually not that bad. I might change it on the next pattern. It's a little bit taller. It's basically one hole taller. So I could step it down, but I don't think it's necessary. And this pocket is a little loose because it goes all the way across. Maybe throw a couple of stitches in here or a rivet here, and it'll probably look better. I mean, I may end up putting a rivet or 2 rivets right here. And this, I think, is much better than this, and definitely coming down further is better than this. The only problem is that this won't fit on a 8.5 by 11. This will. This is still okay. I like this one a little better though. Having the matching is pretty good. Only problem with this, like this one, you can put your mark right here. Actually right there or there might be okay too. But with this here, there's very little space to put a mark. You would have to probably go here or here. Definitely going long on all of these pieces inside and trimming later is much better. It's much easier to burnish. Don't really have to sand. And I think that should do. Not much more I can do here. Guess we could have tokono the inside of this to make it look a little bit better, but might be able to solve that a little bit. Okay, this pattern does work. I think it's good enough. I didn't burnish these in here, however, maybe I should have. And I can do this. Oh, I can do this on here. Okay, we missed one. I'm going to take care of this guy here. So that should complete it, I think. So here are the 3. Started with this guy. Too long, too bulky inside, too heavy. Magnetic closures are pretty good though. Very easy. Then we went to a lightweight version. Like this is 6 ounce. This is, I think, 2 to 3. Might be closer to 3 ounce. Let me check on that. Yeah, it looks like about 3 ounces. This is about the same 3 ounce, but there is this accent piece and the side pieces here are, what was that, 5 ounce, somewhere 4 to 5 I think. And this one is exactly the same as this, only added the accent pieces and fixed some of the mistakes. Like this, it doesn't really match up. It's just so thin, that leather, that in punching the holes it kind of changed it a little bit. Right there, it's off by 1 millimeter I think. These ones line up perfectly because it was trimmed at the end, and that would be the way to go. So I think this project is done. I'm not going to change anything else. The only considerations, of course, is making this 2 pockets, trimming this lower, and rounding off these corners. But for now, I think that's where it's going to stay.